Let's have a revision on the topic function. So first of all, you have to remember the definition of a function. Okay, so the definition of a function is a relation between two variables. And for each independent variable, only one, one and only one corresponding dependent variable. Okay, so here is two examples. The first one is y equals to x squared, another one is y squared equals to x. So if you look at the first example, so when I substitute x equals to -2, okay, so y would be equals to 4. And then when I substitute -1, okay, so y would be 1. If I substitute 0, and then the answer would be 0. If I substitute 1, okay, it would be 1. If I substitute 2, you would get 4. So in this case, there is one and only one corresponding dependent variable. And then if you look at the graph, okay, if I look at the graph, you can see that for any x, okay, if x equals to -2, you will find y will be equals to 4. If x equals to -1, then y will be equals to 1. And then if x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If x equals to 2, y equals to 4. So in this case, you can see that no matter you draw the picture like this or you draw the picture like this, there is only one, okay, one and only one corresponding dependent variable, okay, 每一個 x 只能夠有一個 y 嘅啫。So in this case, this is a function. But if you look at another example, y squared equals to x. So if I look at x equals to 4, okay, when I substitute x equals to 4. So when x equals to 4, y can be -2 and 2. So in this case, for each independent variable x, I can see that there is more than one corresponding dependent variables. Okay, can be -2 or 2. So in this case, this one is not a function. And even if you look at the graph here, okay, you can see that if x is equals to 4, okay, y can be 2 or -2. So you can also see that for each independent variable, there is more than one corresponding dependent variable. So in this case, again, this is not a function. OK， 咁function 嘅意思咧，其實就係每一個 x 都只係有一個 y 嘅啫。OK， 只能有一個 y，one and only one。咁喺左邊嘅 example 嗰度，你睇到啦，每一個 x 咧都會有相對應嘅 y 嘅。咁但係咧喺右面個 example 裏面咧，你會發現一個 x 咧有兩個 y， 咁所以我哋就唔可以話佢係 function 啦。OK，and then for the second one, okay, the second one, x. Why do we call x is independent variable? Why do we call y is dependent variable? X independent 嘅意思咧，即係講緊佢係係由我去控制嘅 ，OK 係由我去控制，因為 x 咧係我可以代任何數字落去都可以嘅，咁所以咧佢係 independent variable。咁 y 點解會係 dependent variable 咧？因為 y 咧係受住 x 所影響，我 x 代負2佢就係4，我 x 代負1佢就係1，咁所以咧 y 咧係受住 x 嘅變化而改變，咁所以咧 y 咧就係 dependent variable。OK， 咁呢個兜兜咧裝住晒所有 x。OK， 呢個兜兜裝住晒所有 x 咧。就係叫做 domain，OK？ It stores all the independent variables, okay? All the possible values of the independent variable, okay? So this collection is called the domain, okay? And then for this one, okay, we will call this one is codomain because it stores, okay? It stores the
all the values of a dependent variable. Okay, it includes, okay, or we can say it is a collection of the values of the dependent variables. Okay. 咁我哋咧睇得再深入少少咧，就係咁domain 入邊係有啲乜嘢嘅咧 ？OK， 呢個兜兜入邊其實係有啲乜嘢嘅咧？咁，so for example y equals to x square，OK，y equals to x square 呢個兜兜入邊會有啲乜嘢咧？呢個兜兜入邊咧，頭先我講過啦，就係 x 咧，其實係你代數字係你自己揀嘅 ，x 係你嘅 choice 嚟嘅，你可以 substitute x 係任何數字。咁所以咧喺呢一個 case 裏面咧，呢個兜兜入邊有啲咩啊？就係所有數字都有可能嘅，佢可能係點數、分數，任何數字都有可能嘅。咁 so in this case，OK，the domain is all real number，OK，所有真實嘅數字都有可能嘅。But for some function, for example, for some function like this, okay, f(x) equals to 1 over x。咁喺呢個 function 裏面咧 ，x 咧嗰個兜兜咧就唔係任何數字都得啦。你會發現咧個兜兜咧係唔可以有零嘅。點解啊？因為個兜兜咧如果係有零嘅話咧，咁佢指向個 y 係指向邊度咧 ？OK， 如果佢有個兜兜啦 ，OK，so once again this one is x，this one is f(x)。如果 OK 呢個兜兜係所有數字都得嘅 ，how about zero？零咧，你發現唔得嘅，因為佢拎唔到過去 ，OK， 佢係冇得有一個 corresponding 嘅 dependent variable， 因為一除零咧會係 undefined 嘅 ，OK，so in this case，OK， 如果我要呢個 function 係成立嘅話咧，咁裡面咧就唔可以有零 ，OK，so in this case the domain would be all real numbers except zero。Okay, so this one is the same. Okay, when you think about the domain, okay, when you think about the domain, okay， 你就要諗一諗咧，到底喺乜嘢嘅情況之下，由於 OK 個 definition 咧係 for each independent variable only one, okay, there is only one and only one corresponding dependent variable。你要諗到咧，佢要有相對應嘅 y 先至成立嘅呢個 function。咁所以咧，如果我要呢一條 function 係成立的話咧，咁我咧呢一個domain咧就要細心啲去揀，我哋咧就唔可以有啲 negative number 喺度。如果有 negative number 嘅話咧，呢啲 negative number 開方咧係唔會變成咗一啲係有 imaginary parts 嘅一啲數字。咁所以喺呢個 case 裡面咧，咁我咧就要去避免咗呢一樣嘢，我要令到呢個 function 嘅成立咧。我就要令到呢個兜兜裡面嘅嘢咧係全部都會有 one and only one corresponding dependent variable。So in this case, I can only put the part non-negative non-negative number. I can only put it here, so that it can have one and only one corresponding f(x)。OK， 咁呢個咧就係 function 嘅 definition。咁但係咧呢一啲嘢咧 DSE 咧都係冇考過嘅。咁咧其實咧我哋主要咧考嘅嘢咧就係substitution。OK。Okay, so let's move on to the last part would be the substitution part. Okay, so if you look at the question, okay, the questions are very similar. Okay, very similar. So I take this as an example. Okay, I take this as example. So if f(x) is equals to x squared plus 2x, the question asks you, okay, how about the function of x minus 1? So as you can see that x now change to x minus 1. 你見到 x 咧係變咗 x 減1嘅 okay? So this one you can change all the x to x minus 1. OK， 佢個 function 係 f(x)， 而家咧佢變咗做咧個 function 咧係 x minus 1。咁你見到個 x 咧係變咗做 x minus 1。So in this case, you only have to change x to x minus 1. You only have to change x to x minus 1, and then you solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, just a simple substitution. So this one is very similar. Okay, you put x. You replace x to 1 over x,
And then for this one, you replace x to negative x, and then you multiply it。呢個同上面係一樣嘅，將 x 代成1除 x， 同埋將 x 代成負 x， 然後咧將呢兩個 function 乘咗佢。OK， 將你substitute 完咗之後，然後將呢兩樣嘢乘埋佢，咁就做完噶啦。OK，and then another questions. Again, this one is easy. This one tells you that the function of f(x) is equals to the function of negative x. So it means that if f(x) equals to f negative x, so which means that 3x squared plus bx plus 1 would be equals to negative, and then I put the negative x into the x part， 只不過係將 x replace 咗，即係其實你只係將嗰條 equation 抄一次啫。咁啊，即係代 x 入去同埋代負 x 入去咧係 equal 嘅。And then you solve it, and then to get the answer of b. So after you find b, then you can solve the remaining part. Now this time you have to substitute negative 3. So it will be 3. So you substitute negative 3, negative 3. 只不過係好簡單嘅 substitution 題目嘅啫，佢叫你代啲乜嘢落去，咁你咪跟住佢代咯。咁啊一路數落去咧，你見到啲題目全部都係一樣嘅。咁啊 we move on to the next page. So once again, this one is very similar. It means that if I substitute k equals to k, so I substitute k equals to k， 將 x replace 咗做 k 之後咧，你就會發現你就會發現咧佢係會等於翻 k 嘅喎，咁你又係一樣 solve 條 equation 就可以啦。This one is the same. This one is the same. You just substitute. 咁啊，你會覺得啊，點解 substitute 嘅題目佢出咁多條咧？其實佢有一啲陰人嘅地方。如果你 algebra 係做得強嘅話咧，其實你唔使咁驚嘅。咁佢有啲陰利嘅地方係例如咩咧？譬如呢啲減號啦，呢啲減號咧，咁即係意味住咧，其實呢度有個括弧係兜住佢。呢個 negative 咧係屬於晒成個 function。咁即係話我後邊嗰橛咧 negative 咧應該係有個兜住個 f(x)。咁如果你冇咗呢個括弧，其實佢呢個括弧位就即係陰你嘅位置啦。如果你個括弧位冇加到嘅話咧，咁你正負好錯晒就有問題咯。咁啊，除咗考 substitution 之後咧，都會考呢啲陰你少少嘅題目咯。This one again, it appears again. 呢條又再出過啦。咁啊，代3同1/3落去啦。咁啊，撳 Celta。咁啊，撳 Celta 要注意啦。跟住中間咧就加個乘號嘅。咁啊，嚟緊呢度之後嗰啲題目咧 is very similar. So this one, this one, you substitute 2， 將個2代落去呢條 function 度啦。咁即係代表2 square 減3乘2加17。So after you get this one， 咁跟住佢有3喎，呢度3啦。咁即係話咧，你當撳 Celta 撳到呢個數字之後咧，你要將佢乘3啦。And then minus 1， so minus 1。So again, this one is very similar. And then let's continue. So this one, when you substitute 2m minus 1， 咁啊開始咧都係考緊你同一樣嘢，不過唔同嘅地方咧就係佢濕咗 2m 減1咧就有少少特別嘅。有少少特別嘅就係考你拆括弧啦。咁啊，因為有好多人咧就濕錯拆括弧拆錯嘅。咁啊順便考埋你 expand 咁樣樣。Finally we talk about the last type of question. 最尾一款題目咧係有少少特別嘅。So given
the function is x squared. The question asks you, okay, when you substitute x plus 1, okay, what is the function? Okay， 咁啊呢一個 function 咧就係x 咧就變咗做 x 加1 ，OK，x 咧就變咗做 x 加1。咁啊，好簡單啫。如果我 x simply 係將佢變咗做 x 加1嘅話，咁即係個 function 呢一個位 x 咧，我就將佢變咗做 x 加1。OK， 咁啊 expand it，and then I will get the answer。OK， 咁啊做完啦，好簡單啫。咁你要留意一樣嘢咧，就係其實你呢個動作係做緊咩咧？其實你呢個動作咧係濕緊 x 係等於 x 加1。OK， 但係呢一樣嘢咧係喺數學上高你係唔可以寫出嚟嘅喎。OK， 你可能喺 ICT 寫 program 嘅時候你就可以咁樣寫啦，但係你咧喺數學上高係唔可以咁寫，因為係好唔 make sense 嘅。即係點樣代 x 做 x 加1啊？即係咁你呢個 x 同呢個 x 唔係同一樣嘢嚟嘅咩？咁樣咁咪會可以約走佢咯。咁如果你約走佢嘅話，咁咪即係等於0等於1咯，咁咪好唔合理咯。咁所以咧其實你做法係咁樣做啦，你係代 x 係 x 加1，因為而家有個 function 俾咗你係 f(x)，OK， 以 x 嚟做 independent variable， 然後咧係有個 function。而家咧你想揾一個新嘅 function， 呢個 function 咧就係用 x 加1嚟做 independent variable，OK， 咁所以咧個想法係咁樣想啦 ，OK， 個 function 係咁樣啦 ，OK， 咁咧但係實質上咧你係唔可以咁樣寫出嚟嘅，你咁樣寫出嚟咧係勁騎呢勁奇怪嘅 ，OK。And then another type，OK，another type， 今次咧就調翻轉係俾咗你咧個 function 係 x plus 1。而家想問翻你咧，如果我想有個 function 係 f(x) 咁究竟係點樣做咧 ？OK， 咁你咧就難好多啦，因為代 x 加1係做 x 咧就好複雜嘅。OK， 咁啊當然咧有一個比較唔係好 common 嘅做法咧，就係你首先將呢條 equation rewrite 咗佢啦 ，rewrite to something like this。OK， 由於佢係有 x plus 1啊嘛，所以我要 create 翻 x plus 1嘅嘢落去。咁你會見到我其實冇轉過個 values 嘅。OK，x plus 1 minus 1咧，佢加1又減1，咁即係其實佢冇變過。OK， 個 actual value 係冇改到。咁但係咧，佢就可以令到我呢一個 function 係有翻我要嘅嗰樣嘢。咁然之後咧，條題目咧係而家問翻你個 function of x 係幾多？咁即係代表咧，我要 replace x plus 1 to x， 將 x 加1咧而家要變做 x， 咁我咪可以將 x 加1呢度變咗做 x 咯，跟住後面照抄。咁 expand 佢咧，我都會計到個答案嘅。咁呢個係第一個嘅做法。OK， 唔係好 common 嘅。第二個做法咧就係你覺得呢一個 x 係好礙眼，呢個 x 同呢個 x 對你嚟講係好礙眼嘅，即係基於呢一個嘅關係啦。你代 x 係 x 加1，其實呢件事係好奇怪嘅。咁所以咧，你其實可以當呢兩個英文字咧係唔同嘅咁去看待啦。OK， 你可以咧當咧呢一個係 A 啦。OK， 令到你寫得舒服少少，你將呢一個 function 個名咧改做 A。OK， 咁啊，跟住咧佢問你 f(x) 係幾多 ？OK，so you can substitute。OK，now you have to substitute。咁你咁樣寫咧就冇咁核突啦。OK， 冇咁肉酸啦。sub x 等於 x 加1就冇呢個情況出現，你就可以係 sub a plus 1 equals to x。咁即係換言之，你即係 sub a 咧係 x minus 1。OK， 咁啊，知道咗呢一樣嘢之後咧，咁你就可以 solve 呢條 equation。OK，so you will have f(x) equals to x minus 1 square, which is the same as this one. OK，
This one actually is the same。呢條其實都係一樣嘅。如果你覺得將 x 代做 x 加一呢件事係好難理解呢一件事嘅話咧，其實你都可以一樣咧，將佢 replace 咗做 let's say a。So fa will be equals to a square. And then now the question asks you to find the function of x plus 1。咁你見到咧，其實即係將 a 咧代成係 x 加一，咁啊將佢變成 x 加一。Okay, so again it's the same. Okay, so here is the revision of the function.